Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best mess kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned backpacker tackling multi-day treks or a casual camper enjoying a weekend getaway in the wilderness. Ensuring you have a reliable and efficient way to prepare and enjoy your meals is paramount to a successful and comfortable outdoor experience, making the right choice in a mess kit a critical decision for your adventures. Number 5. MalloMe 10-Piece Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Discover our camping cookware, crafted from the highest quality non-toxic anodized aluminum. It heats quickly and is built for durability, perfect for solo adventurers. This comprehensive 10-piece set includes everything you need: a non-stick pot and pan, bowls, spork, spoons, spatula, cleaning sponge, and a travel bag. Enjoy effortless cleanup after your meals. The entire kit conveniently collapses into a small bundle for easy control and storage on the go. Embrace the outdoors with confidence. Its lightweight, compact, and mobile design ensures you have all your cooking essentials packed for your next meal. Give the gift of adventure with this top-rated backpacking and camping gear. It's ideal for anyone who loves the outdoors and enjoys cooking at the campsite. What we like. This cookware is built to last with high-quality non-toxic anodized aluminum. It's a complete 10-piece set that collapses into a small bundle for easy storage and transport. If you are a solo hiker or scout looking for a durable and convenient cooking solution, this mess kit is perfect for you. What people say. All components are made from high-quality materials, and they feel sturdy when used. The pot and pan conduct heat really quick, so make sure you have all your cooking ingredients prepped and nearby if you don't want things to burn or spill over. The kit can easily find a comfortable spot in any backpack, and is well self-contained so you won't have utensils all over the place. Number 4. Freehiker 27-Piece Camping Utensil Set. Introducing the ultimate outdoor utensil set, designed to satisfy all your cooking needs. It's perfect for any adventure, from camping trips to backyard BBQs. This portable organizer fits all the essential kitchenware for a comfortable outdoor dining experience. It includes a cutting board, knives, tongs, and much more, with extra space to customize. Experience a better grilling session with lightweight, ergonomic grips that prevent burns and slips. The hanging rings allow for easy storage and drying, saving you space. Rely on our robust cookware, crafted from high-end stainless steel for enhanced durability. These utensils are built to last through years of outdoor use and are dishwasher safe. Make any occasion memorable with this versatile set. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or graduations. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. This is a comprehensive 27-piece utensil set designed for the ultimate outdoor dining experience. Made from high-end stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and are dishwasher safe. If you're a grilling enthusiast or planning a large picnic or party, this portable kitchen on the go will satisfy all your cooking needs. What people say. It has everything we'll need and seems to be of good quality. We love the case it comes in. It's great for storing and no rattling in the drawer. It even comes with a cutting board and retractable marshmallow roasting sticks. Very complete camping kitchen utensils kit. It has everything needed for food prep and consumption. Everything is contained in a small, portable case with a shoulder strap. The case seems to be well made. It has a front zipper pocket and a rear mesh pocket for additional storage, as well as a loop for carrying or hanging the case during use. Everything cleans up nicely and seems durable enough to last many camping seasons. Such a convenient way to organize camp kitchen tools. This set makes it so easy to ensure I at least have cooking needs met. It packs up well, holds up over time, cleans up easily, and is well made. Number 3. Odoland 29-Piece Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Introducing the Odoland 29-Piece Camping Cookware Mess Kit, your all-in-one solution for outdoor adventures. This comprehensive set is designed to make your camping meals as enjoyable as the scenery. This kit includes pots, a pan, a kettle, collapsible water containers, cups, plates, and cutlery for up to 4 people. It's perfect for group camping and emergency preparedness. With large capacity pots and ample water storage, it's ideal for feeding 4 or more people. You can boil water, prepare meals, and store beverages with ease. Crafted from lightweight, non-toxic anodized aluminum with a non-stick coating, these pots and pans ensure easy cooking and cleanup. The foldable, heat-isolated handles keep your hands safe. Enjoy meals with the included 304 stainless steel cutlery sets. They are foldable, easy to store, and safe for all your culinary needs. All pieces nest together neatly into a compact carrying bag, weighing just 5.1 pounds. It's the perfect space-saving addition for RV trips and traditional camping. What we like. This extensive 29-piece set is perfect for group camping, offering pots, pans, kettle, and even collapsible water containers and buckets. Made from non-stick anodized aluminum, it ensures easy cooking and cleaning. If you're planning a trip for a family or a group of friends and need a complete solution for meal prep and hydration, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The pot is a good size for boiling water for 2 to 3 people. The handles fold in for easy storage and portability. It comes with a mesh bag for carrying everything together. Number 2. Odoland 29 PCS Stainless Steel Camping Mess Kit. Introducing the Odoland 29-piece Stainless Steel Camping Mess Kit. It has everything you need for outdoor dining, designed for up to 4 people. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set offers luxury and durability. It's BPA-free, resisting stains and odors unlike plastic alternatives. Cleaning up after your meal is a breeze. This set is designed for quick and simple washing, and it's even dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Everything packs neatly into the included mesh bag, making it easy to carry. Take it on long treks, camping trips, picnics, or beach parties. Perfect for family camping adventures, RV trips, or even for use at home. It's your go-to for both indoor and outdoor dining needs. What we like. This 29-piece set focuses on durable and safe stainless steel for all its components, including bowls, plates, cups, and cutlery. It's BPA-free, won't stain or absorb odors, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you prioritize health, durability, and easy maintenance for your camping tableware, this set is an excellent option for family outings or RV trips. What people say. They are lightweight and fit in the included mesh bag. The fact that these nest easily is a huge space saver, and lends to their packability. The stainless steel is easy to wash and dry, a welcomed bonus. Number 1. KingCamp Stainless Steel Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cookware is built to last. It resists wear and corrosion, heats up quickly, and is incredibly easy to clean. Plus, the collapsible silicone bowls are BPA-free for your safety and convenience. This all-inclusive set comes with everything you need for outdoor cooking. It features pots, pans, plates, bowls, utensils, carabiners, and a convenient carry bag. Everything neatly stacks into a compact carry bag, measuring just 7.6 by 7.6 by 3.54 inches. Weighing only 1.9 pounds, it's designed for easy portability, with bowls that can even clip onto your backpack. Perfectly suited for couples or 2 people, this set is your go-to for camping, hiking, backpacking, and picnics. The handles are made from PVC, ensuring they won't burn or melt during use. We stand behind the quality of our camping cookware. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated after-sales team is ready to assist and resolve them within 24 hours. What we like. This 1725-piece set is specifically curated for couples or pairs heading outdoors. It features lightweight stainless steel cookware and includes collapsible BPA-free silicone bowls that can be clipped to a backpack. If you're a couple looking for a compact, lightweight, and practical cooking set for your hiking or camping adventures, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This is small and great for backpacking. Pros: easy to pack, use, and clean. Great pot set for camping that involves hiking. Very lightweight and compact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.